All right, another simple detailing video. I'll show you guys just how simple this really is. Look at that. You can fit that in any vehicle. You don't need a 100-gallon tank, 60-gallon tank, 50-gallon tank. You don't need any of that. This works for anything. Now, what you see here is a DeWalt 60-volt suction pressure washer. You can suction the water from a tank, a bucket. Some people do see the 60 volt right there. Some people do actual fittings to a blue tank, which I also have. Keeps the water more secure. You can carry multiple tanks to your job sites. But see right here, just getting off the surface dirt, because we are going to do a rinseless wash on this. But see, this gets all the dust and stuff off and the wheel wells. See that dirt coming out right there. It's fine. I used to use electric power washer hooked up to my tanks. I've done it all. I've tried it all. Been in this for 11 years. This is easy stuff, simplified. Now on this one, I would like more foam. Typically it would be just more foam, but it's still enough soap in there to just get the job done. Got the soft bristles just to get in the crevices a little bit, so I don't have to get in there with my fingernail and every single crevice. Just speeds up the process, gets those bugs off, so I don't have to scrub with my microfiber, which that itself scratches the paint. So it's just better to get as much as you can, as quick as possible, and just power wash the rest, and then just hit a few bugs once you start waxing and stuff like that. Yeah, rinse it off. I keep it on the low setting just to preserve the battery, but the battery lasts quite a while. This does cost about $450 with the battery. It's about I don't know, is it $400 or $500? It's somewhere around there with the battery. The battery alone is $200 before taxes, where I'm at. And this one right here, I'm trying this out. I actually don't know. I might be making a mistake right here, but I want to try it because usually with the rinseless wash, you spray the pumps. You fill the pump sprayer with the solution, and then you pre-soak the panel that you're going to do. And when it's colder weather, you can soak the whole. You can pump spray the whole vehicle because it takes a lot longer to dry. So you'll still have time to get around the vehicle. But yeah, but I put the solution in the bucket with this, so the solution is spraying out with the water right now. But man, this is just way faster, and it takes hard water and makes it soft. So I'm like, well, it might even actually help the pressure washer not to get all that gunk from the hard water built up, and so I don't know. We'll see. It might be a mistake, might not. Might be a $400 or $500 mistake. It might be a great idea. So we'll just see. Only time's gonna tell with that. I go ahead and put on a little extra. Started drying a little bit. Put a little extra on there. I did do the inside of this vehicle as well. I just didn't get any material on it. But see, here is the sponge. It's designed to you don't put any pressure on it at all. No pressure at all. Way less pressure than you would as if you were using a wash mitt. Little clay bar right there. Get that spray, that wax on there. Basically, you just want it lubricated. As long as it's lubricated, you're fine. As long as the dirt is off of it, you're fine. We can go through some more of the science behind it and why it works and why I think it's the best way to do it in another video. But hey, this right here is so simple, and I don't have to carry around anything. Anybody can have this set up. I actually just started going back into detailing myself. I had other detailers doing it, but look, oh my gosh, it's so scratched. Oh yeah, it works, man. So getting ready for one of my maintenance clients right now. My espresso setup right there. every morning. Got my juice in right here. 2 shots. It's over with. So, but yeah, that's the video. If you guys are interested in learning more about it and how you can get all the things that you need and not have to have this $10,000 setup, get everything for under $1,000, right around 1,000, under 1,000 for every single thing that you need, and it lasts a long time. Just let me know and I'll keep making these videos. I've been doing this 11 years and I know everything that goes into it, into the business, and how you can start to change your life and make more money. What you need to do to make $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9,000 a day. Let me know.